Today we'll show you how to find the walkway between Bukit Bintang and KLCC. Whether you are avoiding the uneven sidewalks, the darkness of night, or an approaching storm, sometimes you just would rather not walk along the busy, treacherous streets. A great alternative is a somewhat hidden, sometimes raised, sometimes underground covered walkway that stretches from the Pavilion Mall to the KLCC shopping center under the Petronas Towers. Let's start out in front of the Pavilion Mall. You can't miss this beautiful fountain. Head to the left and enter the mall under the sign, "Welcome to Connection." Continue walking straight all the way through, passing a myriad of restaurants. At the far end, where you will see the Pavilion Tower on the left, veer to the right, leaving the mall and entering the walkway. Follow the main passageway to the right. The path winds back and forth. Just don't turn on any of the side paths and you'll be fine. Here you'll pass the Backstreet Eatery on the left. It's not open quite yet, but we're looking forward to it. Now, where were we? Keep following those signs towards Petronas Towers. This is where you'll switch things up a bit. We are heading underground. If you need an elevator, go down here. Otherwise, turn right to the escalator. Head into the building and take the escalator down. The entrance to the aquarium is on the right. You will turn left past the Starbucks. Wind your way to the left through the food court. Turn left at the fuel shack. When you get to these glass doors, turn right. Now it's a straight shot to the end. Just as you reach KLCC Shopping Center, you will see Maybank on the right. It's a convenient place to stop if you need an ATM. Veer left at the Cold Stone. to the right of Auntie Anne's. And you've arrived at the central atrium. Right up the escalator, one flight if you want to go outside. At G, or ground level, you can walk right out to the KLCC Park. Enjoy the fountains or turn around for a spectacular view of the towers. You've made it!